Hi everyone, welcome back to the Get a Brew channel. So today I'm going to talk to you about Belgian all-grain brewing kits. So recently we visited Dingemans maltings in Belgium, and if you aren't familiar with the brand, you don't know about the malts, check out the video showing you inside the maltings, a behind the scenes tour. So I guess the unique selling point and the pride that Dingemans show is that they supply all the Trappist breweries with their malts exclusively. So we wanted to showcase the quality of these malts in bespoke Belgian beer kits. Belgium is famous for its beer, and one of the most famous beers is Belgian Triple. So we are going to talk you through a Belgian Triple all-grain brewing kit today. One of the main selling points with the Get a Brewed all-grain brewing kits is the way they're packaged, the quality of the ingredients and the instructions. So I've got instructions here of the recipe, so it gives you details, a description of what you can expect from the beer. A few tips. This particular one about the triple is highlighting that it's important for precise fermentation temperature and that you increase that fermentation temperature over a few days during fermentation. It's also got all the breakdown of the ingredients. It's got a few little tips, tells you the prep that you need, and then some statistics and brewing notes for the brew day, so you can keep your brew sheet as a record. Some information on the back about how to achieve successful brewing and all-grain brewing kits. So we put a lot of time and effort into these, and we've adjusted the efficiency for 75% efficiency. So if you need to make calculations to change that with your brewing calculator software, for example, if you're using Brewer's Friend, if you use 75% and say your system's set up to do 85, you just change the efficiency and it'll recalculate everything for you. So taking you through the ingredients, the Belgian Triple all-grain, it arrives in the nice branded Get a Brewed sleeving. Super fresh malt is crushed before it leaves us, so that you're ensuring that you're getting maximum freshness. We rotate huge loads of malt, multiple containers weekly here, so you know you're getting the freshest possible malt that you can get. It's crushed fresh the day that you order it for you, specifically to your needs. So it's weighed out individually by our team in-house here. If required, there's grist analysis carried out to make sure you're getting the right crush. Key thing with getting the right crush is you get a better extract, and you hit those gravities consistently well with our malt, because we care about how we handle these ingredients. So this particular beer recipe has the grist here. Grist is made up of, on this occasion, the Dingemans Pilsen malt and the amber aromatic. And amber aromatic malt in this range is incredible. The smell, the taste, everything really worth checking out for recipes if you're designing your own recipe. So we put some in this because we were so impressed with it. Then we have the Belgian candy cane sugar. So you can see it's crystals of sugar. That's added at 10 minutes before the end of the boil. It's to make sure that you get the attenuation level that you want and the dryness that you want in the finished beer. So it throws up the ABV, it also dries out the beer, and just adds that dry finish that you want with this style. Now you can see here that we've packaged some of the botanicals so that you can see them in the plastic. So in this particular recipe we went with black peppercorn and coriander seeds. When the guys are preparing these for you, this is innovative, unique technology to ourselves. So we use these nylon fabric tea bags. We use them for the hops as well as botanicals on occasion, so they won't open up because they're very robustly made, but they also have plenty of space within them to allow the botanicals to infuse with the wort. In this particular recipe, they're added 10 minutes before the end of the boil. And you get a real punch of coriander and black pepper coming through in the finished beer. Now we've used a premium quality Brewers Abbey yeast strain from Lallemand in this particular recipe, and also included Protafloc tablet, which is just a kettle finding. Now, as with all of our hops, they come labelled with the addition time, alpha acid, year of harvest, so you're getting the freshest hops, the same hops that the commercial breweries are getting. They come in nice little hop tea bags. They're vacuum packed, nitrogen flushed, so that they're kept super fresh. Everything's cold chain stored in relation to hops, so they come with the Barthas guarantees. We're a Barthas distributor, so you know that you're getting the best hops that are available in the world, packaged professionally, allowing you to make the best quality beer. Those little packs are resealable, which again is unique to ourselves. So what I'm trying to get across is we really care about the quality of the ingredients that we put out. And if we put out an all grain ingredient kit or a beer kit and it's manufactured in-house by ourselves, we have confidence that you're going to be able to successfully and consistently make incredible quality beer. So you may be asking yourself, why Belgian beer? So Belgian beers are iconic. They're on the global stage. They're probably the most highly renowned beers that there is. It's about balance mainly. So they care a lot about the drinkability and the balance of the malty flavours. I would also suggest that the yeast is critically important in a Belgian beer. So they throw off those nice fruity esters and just a balance, a flavour profile, a depth of flavour that isn't really with other beer styles, in my opinion. Belgian beers, you could taste a Belgian beer and you could smell a Belgian beer and you would know immediately that it is that style. Whereas you could try an IPA, whether that be a normal IPA, West Coast IPA or New England IPA, and it could be brewed anywhere. Whereas I do think Belgian beers are iconic and specific to that area. Now, I do know that there's some great brewers in certain areas brewing great Belgian beer. We've got Meskin Brewery in the south of Ireland here brewing incredible Belgian beer. So it is possible for it to be adopted in other areas, but I think the style is something that you pick up immediately whenever you put your senses to it, whenever you smell it and you taste it. Now, when we visited Belgium, we were impressed with the quality of the beer everywhere we went. It was incredible. The one thing that I suppose to be wary of is the ABV. It's not something you want to session on and have 6 or 8 pints. It's going to be savoured 3 or 4 bottles of beer and something to be enjoyed and talked about amongst friends and family. So Belgian beers are something that I'm very passionate about and excited about, and we've put a lot of effort into these particular recipes so that we can shine those classic Belgian styles in a recipe that allows you to replicate it at home and enjoy the beer like we do here. The first recipe that I featured is the Belgian Triple. We're going to have Belgian Pale Ales, doubles, quadruples, even some Belgian wit beers and saisons, so that we can showcase this beautiful range of malt. We hope that you take the opportunity to try one of these all grain recipe kits, and please give us feedback and let us know how you find them. So that's the introduction to the new Dingemans Belgian beer kits. We're really excited to hear your feedback, so let us know how you find brewing these, and until next time, happy brewing.